Stoneridge Homes features the Stonegate community in Monrovia. New home under construction, similar photos are posted. Full brick rancher with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, formal living and dining rooms and 3-car garage. Dining room features tray ceiling, crown molding with indirect lighting, chair rail, beauty boxes and hardwood flooring. 12 by 15 formal living room features French doors, crown molding and hardwood flooring. 15 by 15 open kitchen complete with crown molding, custom wood cabinets, granite countertops, tumbled stone backsplash, stainless steel Maytag appliances, pendant and recessed lighting, island and walk-in pantry. Breakfast area features crown molding, hardwood flooring with French door leading onto covered porch. 16 by 21 great room features crown molding, 36-inch ventless gas log fireplace with custom mantle and tile surround, recessed lighting and hardwood flooring. Master suite features tray ceiling with crown molding and indirect lighting. Glamour bath with whirlpool.